I invite you to enter jumper.exchange. In your search bar, I will put the link in the description, and so there we will come to farm the first platform, which is Jumper. It is an exchange, so we do connect our wallet. We select Rabby well since we have Rabby here. Then we validate that we connect well and authorize the site to be connected with him. We select the first other chain that we will use. So it's good. Arbitrum since we have money on Arbitrum Ethereum, and we will come to send it on scroll. Here, we click on the big plus 15. Scroll. After Ethereum, we will be able to put the maximum, less a little bit since there will be fees. So there, 0.13, which is worth about 471 euros. And in the end, we will have about 469. So there it will cost about $3, which can be a bit expensive. But for scroll in general, it's still a bit more expensive. And thereby doing so, we will click twice to validate. We validate here with our Rabby Wallet. We check that and well the amount we want to transfer. Gas we can add if we want it to be faster or slower. But there you see that it's 5 cents, so it's not very expensive. And we come to confirm. And then we will have our tokens there which have disappeared, about $470 which have disappeared, and which will be found on scroll. So we will have farmed both scroll and jumper. And so by doing this from time to time, we will have potentially an airdrop on scroll and an airdrop on jumper. We meet very quickly with froggy farming, so there it's finished. Well, sometimes jumper doesn't say that it's finished, but if you go to Rabby before, you will see that it's gone on scroll that we have $470 on scroll. We have 35 that stayed on Apple Troll, but you will see, later we will come to recover them. And it's good to not always put the same amounts each time during transactions. There we can stop here for today, or else we can continue. If you want to continue, we can go do what we call a swap. It's instead of changing blockchain as we did here, we still have Ethereum, but which goes from the Arbitrum blockchain on the scroll blockchain. It's called a bridge.